So using Qwen, what you can also do is you can go ahead and gather out information about plants. So to do that over here in Qwen, I'm simply going to go ahead and ask it, let's say for example, I want to grow an apple tree. What do I need to do? So if I were to go ahead and do that, then what happens is that it says growing an apple tree can be a rewarding experience, whether you are doing it for fruit production or shade or aesthetic purposes right here. So it says choose the right apple variety right here, like climate sustainability and so forth right here. And it says select a planting site. Let me just stop it right there and say, can I start planting the seed at my apartment and move it outside later on? So if I were to go ahead and ask it this information, then it says you can start growing an apple tree from a seed indoor and then move it outside later. But there is a few important considerations to keep in mind. Apple trees grown from seeds are not always true to the parent tree, meaning the fruit may not be the same as the apple seed that it came from. So you can see that this is what you have right here. So it says prepare the seed first, extract the tree seed, and then it actually goes ahead and gives me the steps to actually go ahead in the plants inside Iceland and subscribe.